Upon close examination of the evidence, we are prepared today to say we believe probable cause exists, indicating that forgery and fraud may have been committed, not only in President Obama's long-form birth certificate, but more disturbing evidence suggests that another fraud may have been committed regarding his selected service registration card. At the very least, I can tell you this. Based on all of the evidence presented and investigated, I cannot, in good faith, report to you that these documents are authentic. My investigators believe that the long-form birth certificate was manufactured electronically and that it did not originate in a paper format as claimed by the White House.
From unknown outside sources, or if the date stamp and the registrar's stamp, which are placed on the document to give it authenticity, are fraudulent, then the entire document is fraudulent.
The last part of that video is probably the most important. The fact that the registrar stamp and the date stamp giving authenticity to the document is a safety factor. It's to tell the public that this thing is true, it's authentic, and it's official. The fact that that date stamp and register stamp has been imported from an unknown source, linked and layered in onto the document, and can be moved around in its entirety, leaving a white halo, tells us that whoever created this document imported that register stamp and that date stamp, laid it on a white background, and then filled in the green safety paper around it. That is not the way, under any law that I am aware of, you authenticate a document. The document has failed every test we put it through, and I want to also be clear so you understand, this was just not a bunch of ex-cops and lawyers running these tests. We went outside to experts, graphic experts, forensic document examiners, and ran these tests. This is serious. This is very serious. When we realized that that register stamp and that date stamp were imported the way they were, we notified Sheriff Arpaio immediately and advised him that we believed we had a forgery.